Subatomic particles, about electrons, protons, and neutrons. Electrons, protons, and neutrons are the three main subatomic particles that make up atoms. They are all incredibly small, but they have different properties and play different roles in the atom. Electrons are negatively charged particles. They are the lightest of the three subatomic particles, with a mass about 10^36 the mass of a proton or neutron. Electrons orbit the nucleus of an atom in a cloud. Protons are positively charged particles. They are found in the nucleus of an atom, along with neutrons. Protons have a mass of about 1 atomic mass unit (ang). The number of protons in an atom determines its atomic number, which is what identifies the element. Neutrons are uncharged particles. They are also found in the nucleus of an atom. Neutrons have a mass of about 1 amu, similar to protons. The number of protons and neutrons in an atom together determine its mass number. Electrons, protons, and neutrons are held together by the strong nuclear force, which is one of the four fundamental forces of nature. The strong nuclear force is very strong, but it has a very short range, so only acts over very small distances. Electrons, protons, and neutrons are essential for the existence of matter. Atoms are the building blocks of matter, and atoms are made up of electrons, protons, and neutrons. Without electrons, protons, and neutrons, there would be no matter as we know it. Electrons, protons, and neutrons interact with each other in complex ways. The interactions between these particles determine the properties of atoms and molecules. For example, the way that electrons interact with each other determines the color of a substance. The way that protons and neutrons interact with each other determines the stability of an atom. Electrons, protons, and neutrons are also involved in many important chemical and physical processes. For example, electrons are involved in the transfer of energy in chemical reactions. Protons and neutrons are involved in the process of nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. Electrons, protons, and neutrons are truly fascinating particles. They are essential for the existence of matter and play a role in many important chemical and physical processes.